Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2009 Jeep Compass and I will show you which fuse to check in case your heated seats are not working. This video applies to Jeep Compasses made from 2007 all the way up to 2015. Okay, so the fuse box on Jeep Compass is located right here. To open it up, there are two clips on this side which you want to push. And there are two clips on this side which you actually have to release to completely remove this cover. So just push on this and lift it straight up and then release these sides as well, and you can just move the cover, and on the back side of the cover you will have a nice small fuse diagram. If your Jeep Compass is equipped with heated seats, you will want to check fuse number 30. It's a 20 amp yellow fuse, and this is the one right here. So to remove it, you can just use your pliers and pull it straight out. If the wire inside the fuse is not broken and intact, that means the fuse is good and your problem is most likely in the wiring or in the switch inside the cabin. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.